Good morning. My name is Jessica. I hope everyone is having a great day, and today I am going to talk about why recycling should be mandatory in the United States. I believe that recycling should be mandatory in the United States because recycling helps protect our wildlife habitats and it also prevents pollution. Recycling creates many jobs and it helps reduce waste. Recycling protects our wildlife and prevents pollution. Recycling prevents pollution in our water. Recycling prevents toxic air. And recycling also protects our wildlife habitats and animals within them. Recycling prevents toxic air. For example, a water bottle that you don't recycle ends up becoming your air, which can become very toxic. By not throwing them into a recycling bin, they instead go to a landfill. A landfill is a place to dispose of wasted materials by burying it into soil that ends up creating toxic air. Recycling prevents pollution in our water. Water covers around 11% of our earth. By not recycling, you are also polluting our water. Water is necessary for all living things. When we pollute water, we are also polluting our bodies. Every time we neglect to recycle, we are contributing with the 2 million tons of human waste that are disposed of water every single day, according to the United Nations World Assessment Program. By continuing this pattern, we are endangering our water supplies and the animals that live in the bodies of water as well. Recycling protects wildlife habitats and the animals within them. Recycling is very important when it comes to protecting our wildlife. According to the U.S. Environment Protection Agency, harvest virgin material. It is environmentally caused. Now nearly 4 billion or 35% of our total trees are cut around the world are being used for paper industries. That equals about 2.47 million trees cut down every year. The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency also states that collecting raw materials every time to create a new product also uses large amounts of energy, fossil fuels, and it also affects our climate change. Scientists predict that the climate change will cause higher water temperatures, which can lead to lower amounts of dissolved oxygen with our water sources, therefore endangering thousands of animals. Recycling also creates jobs. Recycling boosts America's economy because there are several steps of recycling. Basically, if recycling becomes mandatory, there's going to be lots of jobs. For example, you need the collection company. You need the men in trucks who go out and get the trash. You need people that process and sort through the recycling goods. You need the distributors who give the recycling goods to manufacturers. All these steps require many people and create many jobs. So, like I said, if recycling was made mandatory in the United States, thousands and thousands of jobs would be created. Recycling also helps reduce the waste. Recycling also lowers the cost of producing new products. It promotes production of manufactured foods in the United States, and it also allows it to become less reliant in other countries to import natural resources. Recycling helps the world by reducing trash that can make new products as a result. This helps reduce the amount of trash that rot in many landfills, and it helps prevent pollution. So today I spoke on why I believe recycling should be mandatory. Recycling protects our wildlife habitats and it prevents pollution. And it also creates many jobs for people and reduces waste. By reducing the amount of waste, we are making a difference. So start recycling at your home or anywhere you find yourself having to recycle. Enforce it onto your family members and show them why it's important. Recycling is so important for our planet, and we need to start taking care of it more serious. Thank you for your time. This was my speech on why recycling should be mandatory in the United States. Once again, thank you for your time and have a great day.